a 1-inch machine hem. So what you're going to do is you're going to cut a 5x5 square. You're going to take a seam gauge, which is on my desk. It looks like this. There's a little basket full of them. You're going to fold your fabric inward a 1/2 inch. So 1/2 inch on seam gauges right here. You move your wing, your little, I call them wings, up to the 1/2 inch mark. You're going to fold your fabric until the edge of the wings line up with the fold of the fabric. Then you're going to you're going to fold this again 1 inch. So what you're going to do is you're going to hold this down at the 1/2 inch mark. Then you're going to go to the 1 inch, match your wings with the 1 inch line, and you're going to fold your fabric 1 inch. Again, line your wings with the fold of the fabric. You're going to want to hold this. You're going to want to have your pin cushion out, and you're going to pin along the edge. Okay. With hems, you don't iron until the last step. So you're going to want to pin where you just measured. Okay. And then you're going to want to make sure that all along the fabric is 1 inch. And then pin it. Then you're going to get to your machine, and you're going to sew this at 1/8. You'll notice here on your machine it says 1/8 right here. It's going to be hard to see because your fabric's going to cover it up. Okay, because you are going to want to be stitching along this fold line. So remember, the 1/8 is always matched up with inside your presser foot. Another key thing is that you're going to want to sew along this folded edge. Always start with your fabric farther back on your presser foot. So if you look to the side, you can see that your fabric is at least 3/4 of the way back on your presser foot. You're going to want to back stitch. Let me adjust my camera. With this, you're always going to want to back stitch at the beginning and the end. So you're going to start sewing a couple stitches. Hold your you have to hold the reverse button. Go back a couple stitches. When you get to a pin, stop, take your pin out, keep going, stop, take your pin out, keep going, stop, take your pin out, keep going. When you get to the edge, hold your reverse button and go back a couple stitches. Then you're going to take this over to the iron. You're going to iron it flat, and then you're going to come get this checked by me, and I'll stamp your paper.